Okay guys, so I have three obstacle courses currently set up for the backyard course. This is the zigzag, sorry. Set up by this way, and then the wood log and the rock pile. Okay, so here we go. Go around. The rock pile is ever so slowly getting built up. Still need more rocks and more dirt. Be having more logs come out soon and get more elevated obstacles going on as well. As of right now, the zigzag can only be handled going this way. I haven't finished that side of the zigzag yet, so there's a hole there which I need to patch up, get enough wood so it can be conquered in both directions. One more time here. Okay. And that works. I like it. Okay, and we're going to go through the second obstacle real quick. Alright guys, so that is the backyard course right now. It's getting there. It's getting there, so just building it up right now. Got the zigzag there. Log crawl. A small little hill of rocks. I'll be spending some more time over this weekend to get some more obstacles built up. So I'll have a few more obstacles to run in the backyard.